since I started using the Double Plus product, I started from the bracelets. I've been having good sleep, no more ache, no more nervousness. I've been enjoying the boxers with prostate. I've been having an enjoyment of polarized grasses, and my vision has improved. Also, I've been enjoying the machine, Telomerase Healing Machine. I've been dealing with different lights, nervousness, paralysis issue. In fact, I've been having a great improvement in my health. I thank you for the product you are promoting. I'm urging everybody to patronize the Double Plus Energy product.